My name is Natalie. I took the Software Engineering Immersive. For General Assembly, I spent a little bit of time soul searching, kind of figuring out next step. But I was running my own online business in the yoga space. So I was running mentorship programs for yoga teachers. Reached a point with my online business where I just stopped wanting to do it. And it just felt like such a chore and like such a drag. You kind of have to be fully in it in order to really show up for it. I started to kind of explore options. I looked at full-time roles in marketing, which is kind of like where the bulk of my skill set was, and just could not imagine anything I wanted to do less. I even took a job for a few months and I was like, this is a nightmare. And I got served an ad on, I think it was Instagram, for a 5-day intro to coding challenge. And I was like, what the heck? I'm gonna check this out. And I loved it. It was all very basic HTML and CSS. Typed out that first hello world and like saw it pop up and I was like, whoa, this is cool. After that, I just kind of went down the rabbit hole of searching, like, how do I learn more? I found General Assembly and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. It is gonna feel daunting, but you kind of just gotta jump in. Really get an idea for what a program is going to be like. I would also say if you're thinking about doing it, just do it.